Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova. Myself Nimisha Mehta. We have finished in our English subject textual grammar, writing skill as a essay, letter, notice, report, paragraph. And today let's start our revision as per chapter Unit 1, many kinds of art. The entire until refers to different forms of art: painting, drawing, rangoli, photography, etc. The visuals in the unit help create interest among students. This unit is about art. This picture is a famous art print by Currier and Ives, first printed in 1872. What do you see in the picture? So, we see a fox standing on its rear legs. Here in this picture they mention the fox standing its rear legs against a tree in woods. Its front right paw is on the tree trunk and the left one is dangling. It is looking back at the three passenger pigeons sitting on the tree to the left. This is an elusive picture. It has got many animals and faces of human beings hidden. If we look closely at the picture, we can find at least 7 human faces on the tree trunks. We can also find one deer sitting near the trunk of the left tree, one wolf at the bottom of the picture, one wolf at the center, one tiger behind a distant tree to the right, one bridled horse between two distant trees. How many words did you list? The names of the things that we see in this picture are as following: trunk, fox, birds, bushes, woods, pigeons, bridled, tree, rocks, undergrowth, branches, elusive. How many words did you list? I listed almost 12 words. Share your list with your classmates. So I have shared my list with those of my classmates and we have to write their name. Now we go as per. In this activity 2, glossary are there. Valuable, important, texture, the quality of something that can be decided by touch, rough or smooth, soft or hard. We touch, then we understand, we felt rough or hard or smooth. Okay. Bumpy, not smooth, strokes, lines or marks made by a movement of a pen or a brush. Vincent van Gogh was an artist who lived in the Netherlands from 1853 to 1890. He painted more than 900 paintings. During his life, he only sold one painting, but now his paintings are very valuable and famous. Do you know valuable means important? Van Gogh liked to use very thick paint and he loved color. Look at this detail from one of these paintings. What color do you see? So from this chapter, do you see the rough texture of the canvas? How would you describe the paint? Is it thick, thin, heavy, light, dark, bright, soft, hard and flat? Van Gogh made these strokes with his brush Do you think he pushed on the canvas firmly or softly? Did he move the brush quickly or slowly? How do you think he made these marks? So from activity 2, what colors do you see in the painting? We see grey color most, then brown color is seen, and some patches of yellowish green color are also seen. Do you see the rough structure of the canvas? Yes, we do see the rough structure of the canvas. How would you describe the paint? The paint seems like that of a rupee or wrinkly surface formed by great amount of flow of fluid lava. It is light, bright, soft and bumpy. So as per that question answer I sent by PDF. Below you can see the 3 of Van Gogh paintings. One picture is a self-portrait. That means it is a painting that Van Gogh painted of himself. The way an artist paints, the colors he chooses and the shape he likes are all part of this his style. Van Gogh's paintings are all of different subjects, but the style of all 3 is the same, meaning that in each of his paintings he used the colors and shapes that he liked, crayon colors. Look at his paintings carefully. What colors and shapes do you think that Van Gogh liked? These are part of his style. So, all of them show small strokes of brush making streaks and forming various lines, swirly lines. All of them show that they are mixtures of different colors. Vivid colors convey passionate feelings of the painter. Chiefly, we can see different shades of blue. He must be using big, medium and small brushes to form lines that give impression of 3D shapes. Okay, I hope you understand this activity 1 to 3 of our revision chapter first, many kinds of colors. Okay, thank you.